Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HP printer isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common printer problems people run into, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple solutions that can get your printer back online in just a few minutes. Let's start with the first thing you should check: the wireless indicator light on your printer. That little light can tell you exactly what's happening. If there's no light at all, Wi-Fi is turned off on the printer. If the light is blinking or flashing, the printer is searching for a network but isn't connected yet. And if you see a solid blue light, your printer is already connected and ready to print. Go ahead and press the wireless button on your printer once. In many cases, that's all it takes. The printer will search for a previously saved network and try to reconnect automatically. Give it about 30 seconds and watch the wireless light carefully. If it turns solid blue, congratulations, your printer is back online. Try printing a document or test page to make sure everything is working properly. But if the light keeps blinking and never becomes solid, don't worry. That simply means the printer needs to be connected to your Wi-Fi network again. The first method we'll try is WPS, which is usually the fastest way to reconnect. Press and hold the wireless button on the printer for about 3 seconds, then release it. Next, walk over to your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. Most routers have one, although its location may vary depending on the model. Press and hold the WPS button for about 3 seconds, then release it. If your router uses a screen or menu system instead of a physical button, open the router settings and select the option to connect a new device using WPS. Now just give the printer a minute or two. During this time, the printer and router will communicate with each other and establish a secure connection. Keep an eye on the wireless light. Once it changes from blinking to a steady blue light, the connection is complete and your printer should be ready to use. If your router doesn't support WPS, or if the connection still isn't successful, let's move on to another method that works for almost every HP printer. For this method, we'll use the HP Smart app. First, we need to put the printer into setup mode. Press and hold both the wireless button and the cancel button together for about 3 seconds, then release them. You'll notice the power light may flash briefly, while the wireless light begins blinking on its own. That's exactly what we want to see. It means the printer is ready for a new Wi-Fi setup. Now, pick up your phone or tablet and open the HP Smart app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Installation only takes a minute. Once the app is open, tap the plus icon to add a printer. Select Set up a new printer and then tap Get started. The app will begin searching for nearby printers. When your HP printer appears on the screen, tap it to continue. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your wireless password carefully. Double-check the password before continuing, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. Tap Continue and let the HP Smart app do the rest. The setup process usually takes just a few minutes. At some point, the app may ask you to press a blinking button on the printer. If it does, simply follow the instruction on the screen and press the indicated button. Once setup is complete, your printer should connect to the wireless network automatically. Then you'll be able to print from your phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer, as long as they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, if you've tried both methods and the printer still refuses to connect, there's one more thing that's often overlooked. Take a look at where your printer is located. If it's too far away from the router, separated by several walls, or placed in an area with weak Wi-Fi coverage, the signal may not be strong enough for the setup process to complete successfully. Try moving the printer closer to the router temporarily and run through the setup process again. Ideally, place both devices in the same room during setup. Many people are surprised to find that the printer connects immediately once it's closer to the router. After the connection is established, you can usually move the printer back to its normal location, provided the Wi-Fi signal remains strong enough. Hopefully, one of these solutions got your HP printer connected and back online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HP printer setup guides, troubleshooting tutorials, and easy fixes. And if you're still having trouble or need personalized assistance, we're here to help. Contact us and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.